Wiki of Science presents here a new data file on the nutritional balance of potato chips, based on data collected by Perez Gonzalez in 2012. Now, when we think about potato chips, actually, the research is talking about something like this, okay? Slices, fine slices of potato being deep fried or even oven baked. So the typical potato chips or crisps, depending on the country you are from, it doesn't include this type of chips because they are not made from potatoes, but a mix of potatoes and other flours, and they definitely are not chips like the typical British potato chips, the one that we call French fries. All right. Well, so the research is here, and what the researcher did, if we go to the methods, we will see he selected 63 potato chip products. It includes different brands and different flavors within each brand as well. And although the intention was to get this structured sample of potato chip products, basically the products were collected in a convenient manner. And although it's not set here, it basically covered mostly the whole population of potato chips available in two big supermarkets in New Zealand, two national supermarket chains actually. Anyway, so the main information here regarding the nutritional balance of those potato chips are summarizing those two charts. The chart and the graph. Now here we have the actual nutritional contribution to 100 grams of the product and the ideal one, which we can see much better in the graph. So we can see that potato chips in general are highly unbalanced. They reach a BNI of 70.12, and basically they are very low in protein, a bit low in carbohydrate, very high in fat and saturated fat, and high in sodium as well. On the good part, they are low in sugar. Now, a better way of seeing that perhaps is just opening this file and going to this other representation here elsewhere, and we could summarize the average potato chips as being extremely low in protein, so very basically bad from the balance perspective, very low in carbohydrate, extremely high in fat, extremely high in saturated fat, extremely low in fiber, and very high in sodium. And the positive is very low in sugar as well. Okay, so after seeing this panorama, what can we do with potato chips? Well, we could somehow balance it out a bit, but adding some fiber to a serving of potato chips, around 1.3 grams of fiber for a serving of 40 grams, and reducing sodium, but of course you will have to do that in your next meal or in a previous meal, rather than on there. It's very difficult to remove the salt from the product already, and burn out those excess calories, which is about 53 kilocalories, which is equivalent to walking 1,068 steps, or approximately 18 minutes walking slowly, or even 5 minutes jogging, and all that will leave you with a balance of around 26:41, down from 70, and will provide you enough energy for living for the next hour and a half. Now, why is that so high? Well, basically because only 40 grams of potato chips basically give you enough energy equivalent to that of a large snack. Even if you were going to have 2 servings, which is very easy to get, it would probably be about a small meal. So it's quite calorie intense, this food.